Welcome back to the Auto Master, your trusted destination for the latest and most detailed car reviews, where we dive deep into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we explore the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a bold return of a true classic that blends retro charm with futuristic innovation. Volkswagen has revived the Karmann Ghia with a modern twist while staying true to the spirit of the original, making it a standout in the new era of electric coupes and stylish grand tours. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is an all-electric vehicle that balances nostalgic design cues with cutting-edge engineering. Its exterior proudly showcases a sculpted body, sleek LED lighting, and a fastback silhouette that recalls the elegance of the 1960s model. The front fascia features a refined, closed-off grille, contributing to the EV aesthetic, while aerodynamic elements enhance both performance and efficiency. Every curve of this coupe reflects a thoughtful blend of heritage and progress. Inside, the cabin of the Karmann Ghia offers a minimalistic yet premium environment. Volkswagen has equipped the interior with sustainable materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a clean dashboard layout that features a fully digital 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. This system supports the latest MIB4 interface with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OTA updates. Drivers also benefit from a customizable digital cluster and haptic feedback controls embedded within the steering wheel for a futuristic yet intuitive experience. Performance-wise, the new Karmann Ghia is available in two electric motor configurations. The base model features a single rear-mounted motor delivering 240 horsepower, while the dual-motor version offers 320 horsepower with all-wheel drive. Acceleration is brisk, with the top trim achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. It comes equipped with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack offering an estimated range of 300 miles on a full charge, and fast charging capabilities that can replenish up to 80% in just 25 minutes. On the road, the Karmann Ghia offers a responsive driving experience with dynamic handling and a low center of gravity thanks to its MIB platform. The adaptive suspension system provides a balanced ride between comfort and sportiness, perfect for both city cruising and long-distance journeys. Noise insulation and premium sound from the Harman Kardon audio system further enhance the drive. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2026 Karmann Ghia comes standard with Volkswagen's latest IQ.Drive suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Driver assist technologies are seamlessly integrated to support both confidence and convenience. The return of the Karmann Ghia is more than just a nostalgic tribute. It is a symbol of how classic design can thrive in a modern, sustainable automotive world. With its unique blend of style, performance, and innovation, this coupe is ready to turn heads and lead a new generation of car enthusiasts. For more in-depth reviews like this, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to AutoMaster for all the latest updates in the world of cars.